I'm here to show you how to log on to our research databases while you're off campus. There are two ways that you can do this. The first way is to go to the menu and then under Academics, go to Library. Once you're at the library page, you can click on the Research Databases tab and you'll find a list of all of our subscription databases. The vast majority of them will have a way for you to access them while you're off campus. So if you look underneath each database, it will have to log into. So here it's Credo Reference. To log into Credo Reference while off campus, click here. And that's the link you want to use when you're not on campus. When you do that, it's going to ask you for your username and your password, so your FC email and your password, and you'll click Login. The other way, I'm going to scroll back up, I'm going to go to our online library catalog here, and I'm going to scroll down just a little bit and click on the off-campus access link in the left-hand menu bar. From here, I can choose any of these databases. I am going to try going into, let's try ImageQuest today. I'm going to click on the link for ImageQuest. It's going to bring this login back up. I'm going to put in our guest password, FC guest, and password, and click login. And voila, here we are on ImageQuest, exactly the same way that it would look if you just clicked the regular ImageQuest link when you're on campus. The nice thing about this is, let me close this down, is once you've logged in once, you can actually go to any of our off-campus databases, any of our databases off campus without having to log in again. So that will last for the session. If you come back tomorrow, you'll need to log in again. So here I'm in Atla and I didn't have to log back in again. So those are the two ways that you can log in while you're off campus. If you have any difficulties accessing these databases, please contact the library. You can do that right from this page. If you click on Email a Librarian on the top of the left-hand bar, this will open an email that will go to all library staff and we'll be able to work with you to make sure that you can access the resources you need. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks.